Hello, my name is Andrew Sandoval. I'm the owner of Indoor Cycle Pros. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the resistance knob assembly on a Stages indoor cycle. If in fact you're having issues with the resistance knob, chances are the internal parts, specifically a tightening nut, has come loose. So I'll show you how to access that and how to tighten it. What you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. You will also need a slotted screwdriver, and you'll need some type of adjustable wrench. Okay, here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the stop emblem, and using your slotted screwdriver, give it a good pop, and that should come right out. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is using your Phillips screwdriver, get a really good bite on the screw, push down, and very slowly loosen that screw. Chances are, if the bike has some age to it, that screw is going to be really difficult. So make sure your Phillips screwdriver has a really good bite on that screw so you don't strip it. That'll come right out just like that. Now you're left with the resistance knob assembly. Using your adjustable wrench, you'll see that two sides of this nut are indexed and flat, so you can get an adjustable wrench on there, get a really good bite on that, and loosen it. Chances are, if you have issues with the resistance knob assembly, this nut right here has come loose. So the only thing you need to do is tighten that. But in this video, I'll just show you what's going on inside. So this comes completely off. That's it right there. I'll just set it off to the side. Now you want to be really careful that you do not change the setup here. So if you carefully remove this, set the resistance knob at 12 o'clock, you'll see your components come out. So you have a spring, and you have a donut on the top. Down below, there is another part of the assembly, and then below that, you'll see there's a flat stainless steel washer. So let's just go ahead. Oh, one more thing. While we're here, go ahead and take your adjustable wrench, and I want you to tighten this resistance knob assembly shaft and it's reverse threaded. So in this case, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to You're going to want to turn this counterclockwise until it's nice and snug. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall exactly in the same order that stainless steel washer is down below. This component was in this orientation. I'm then going to install my resistance knob assembly. This donut on top aligns with the opening, the slot right here. And then don't forget you have that spring up top. So now we're going to take our large nut, put it in, and carefully pushing down, but carefully thread that back onto the frame. Thread it as much as you can by hand till it gets nice and snug. At that point, you're going to go ahead, get your adjustable wrench, get a real good tight bite on that, and you're going to turn it until it's just snug. So all you need to do is just snug. Now we'll go ahead and put our resistance knob back on. Be aware that this is indexed. It'll match the index inside the knob. So we're going to go ahead and install that to match. I'm then going to go ahead using my Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to screw that resistance knob screw back in till it's snug. I'm going to push down and give it a good crank. And there you have it.